What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. First things first. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Second, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And third, make sure you turn on your bell notifications so that you are notified anytime I post. So, if you don't know, weren't aware, weren't notified, I moved back to Massachusetts from Florida. Why? Because things just didn't go as planned, you know? It was a little hard. I didn't have family, I didn't have anyone out there. So it was hard for me to like go to school and work with the baby, and I had like just no help. So I'm back here. No worries, we'll be back. I'm giving myself about a year or two, from a year to 2 years, to get everything situated and go back there and make my life, because I love Florida. Also, I don't know if in my last video I had my hair dyed, but I got a little blasé. It looks really dark in here, but I got a blasé done. So the last time, my last video was my butt vacuum. Did I do my butt vacuum or my hair first? I don't know. But while I was in Miami, at that point, I was actually there picking up my car. So now I've officially gotten everything from over there, and I'm here. And this week, I got approved for my apartment, and I just got my keys today. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a empty apartment tour, okay? And then maybe in a couple months, I will give you guys a furnished apartment tour. So if you guys want to see my new apartment, keep watching. So when you get in, there is a closet to the right. This is just like the air conditioning. It's actually kind of really big. Takes up, I sit right there. Then to the left of the entrance, we have this nice little space here. I think I'm gonna put like a welcome sign. I don't want shoes in my apartment, so I'm gonna put like a little box or maybe a shoe rack right here. Then to the left, we have a little cloak closet. I put my napkins up there, the mop. I don't have one in the kitchen, so I'll probably just use this for that too. And it's this little hallway. And then first room to the left, we have Maya's room. There's no light in here yet, but this is what it looks like. I love the windows up there. And then we have her closet. Maya, I'm a little jealous. She has the walk-in closet. And it's huge, literally huge. Like, she doesn't even need all this space. So that's that. Then we have the first bathroom. Mirror, bathroom. This one only has a shower. And the sink. I tried putting this on, but clearly this is cheap. Didn't work. And I got a cute little plant. I got this thing too. I haven't put soap in there yet. Then we walk into the kitchen. There's a fridge. I don't have anything in here yet. There's a fridge with a little ice maker. Put this to make ice. A little ice maker. Nothing in my fridge yet. Oh wow, that made ice really fast. I have a lot of cabinets, which I love. And trust and believe me when I say I will fill them all. And we have these here. Oven. And it has a dishwasher. I love how big the sink is. It's literally huge. And I did put some little snacks in here. You know, little by little, we'll go filling it up. I think I'm gonna put plates and cups in this one, and this will be for like food and spices. These two will be for like food and spices and stuff. Then I have right in the kitchen is the washer and dryer. A lot of room for that, which is cute. And then we have the living room area. So it's right across from the kitchen. There's not space for a dining room, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put set this up cute and put some plates and stuff here and put 2 bar stools. So this is the living room. It's not huge, but it's perfect for my and I. And then these giant windows, which I love. And I love how we can control, like, there's like a ceiling fan. We can control it right here. 1. I wonder if that's the speed. What if I give it a 6? Whoa. All right, let's turn this off. Okay, then here is my bedroom. Again, there's no light in here, but this is the bedroom. Let me turn these lights over here. Okay, so this is the bedroom. More giant windows, which I love. My closet's not as big as Maya's, but it's still, you know, pretty decent. And then I have my own personal bathroom, which is so cute and it's so big. I have the mirrors. This is like huge. So much space under there. I love storage space because I have a lot of junk. And then I have a tub in this bathroom and a shower. And I love how this goes round, like it like curves like a hotel. Let's put this down. So I put some toilet cleaner and toothpaste in there. I love how this has like a wall plug right here. So yeah, this is my little apartment. I'm so excited. My daughter and I finally have a place of our own. I'm gonna have our own space. She can run around, do whatever she wants. My dog will have his own space. I brought him back from Miami, but like it was becoming a problem. So my brother was holding him for me until I got my apartment. So he will finally have his own space to run around, won't bother anyone. Yeah, I'm really excited. I got my keys today, but I have to go to New York tomorrow. And I probably won't be back until Friday night or Saturday morning. My bed did come in. I had it shipped to my brother's house because I didn't want to sleep here on an air mattress. So I made sure to order my bed on time. So I'll probably put that up on Saturday and I'll stay here. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me to fill up the whole apartment with furniture. I think the living room's gonna take me the longest. But yeah, as soon as it's ready and done, I have furniture in here, I will definitely give you guys a furnished apartment tour. So, as always guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the gang. And we'll see you next time.